The South may not have the most beautiful color change like the northern part of the country does, but we are blessed to have some beautiful trees and things that do display some gorgeous color in Louisiana this time of year. For instance, the tree located behind me, it's called golden rain tree. It's actually a native of Asia. And to some people, kind of like the Chinese tallow tree, it can become a nuisance from the seed pods. But one man's trash is another man's treasure, and this really does have some gorgeous fall color. I'm not sure that it's really commercially available at retail nurseries, but these do volunteer very easily from the seed pods. Again, this is a small to medium-sized tree. It will lose its leaves. It is deciduous. It's got compound leaf shape, and again, it's just those beautiful yellow flowers followed by the gorgeous pink seed pods that provide a good fall color. Some other interesting trees for Louisiana this time of year are our state tree, the bald cypress. Crepe myrtles that have a beautiful flower in the spring provide us gorgeous foliage change in the fall. Chinese pistache is just spectacular. It has some of the best color change. And then there's also the maples. You can never go wrong with maples. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.